Hi everyone, chào mừng các bạn đã quay trở lại với kênh của SVFF. My name is Nguyên and
I'm Ngân.
we are Vietnamese teachers at SVFF. In this video, we'll explore essential Vietnamese vocabulary for common drinks, including juices, tea, coffee, and popular street beverages. A simple formula to easily build and understand drink names in Vietnamese. Key cafe expressions and variations to order drinks naturally and confidently. Practical sentence patterns to express your preferences, such as what you like and don't like to drink. We are sitting at a cute cafe in Saigon.
You look at a menu and see the huge list of drinks. Nước mía, trà đào, cà phê đen, sinh tố bơ.
You know how to order the famous café sữa đá. But what if you want to try something else?
How do you ask for simple orange juice or refreshing iced tea? If you want to order drinks in Vietnam with confidence, this is the lesson for you. Today, we're going to learn the essential vocabulary for common drinks in Vietnam.
This is super practical because Vietnam has an amazing cafe culture and so many delicious drinks to try.
Knowing these words will make your life so much easier and more fun.
We will start with the general word for drinks. Then we will cover juices, teas, and coffees.
We also learn some simple and natural ways to order what you want and say what you like. Let's get started.
Part 1. The basics, juices and water. First up, how do you say drinks in general? The term is đồ uống. Đồ means thing or item. Uống is the verb to drink. So, đồ uống literally means things to drink.
The most basic drink of all is water. In Vietnamese, this is nước, but the word nước very versatile. It can also mean liquid or juice. When combined with other words, this leads us to a very simple formula for juices. Nước plus first name.
Let's look at some popular examples. Nước cam,
Nước cam,
nước chanh,
nước chanh,
nước dừa.
nước dừa.
Another very common one you will see on the street is nước mía,
Nước mía.
which is sugarcane juice.
And if you want a fizzy drink, the term is nước ngọt. Ngọt means sweet. So it's literally translated to sweet water. This covers things like Coke, Pepsi, so on.
Part 2. The cafe favorite, tea, coffee, and milk. Now, let's move on to the drinks you will find in every cafe. The word for tea is trà. If you just want a simple, refreshing iced tea that's often served for free, you can ask for trà đá.
Trà đá.
Of course, the worldwide phenomenon of milk tea is huge in Vietnam too. That's a simple combination, trà sữa.
Trà sữa.
The word for the coffee is cà phê.
Cà phê.
This is a big one. Here are the two most essential types you need to know. Cà phê sữa.
Cà phê sữa.
This is coffee with milk. In Vietnam, this almost always means coffee with sweet, condensed milk. It's strong and sweet.
Cà phê đen.
Cà phê đen
is black coffee. You can add the word đá to the end of any of these to ask for the iced version. For example, cà phê sữa đá or cà phê đen đá.
Part 3. Beer and wine. Part 3. Beer and wine. For those who enjoy alcoholic beverage, the vocabulary is straightforward. Beer, this means beer. Easy to remember. Rượu is a general term for alcohol, spirits, or wine. For example, rượu vang is specifically wine.
Point 4. How to express your preferences. Now that you know the names of the drinks, how do you talk about them? Let's use the verb uống. If you want to say you like drinking something, you say tôi thích uống.
Tôi thích uống.
Ví dụ, tôi thích uống trà sữa.
Tôi thích uống trà sữa.
If you want to say you don't like something, you just add không before the verb. Tôi không thích uống.
Tôi không thích uống.
Ví dụ, tôi không thích uống cà phê đen vì nó đắng.
Tôi không thích uống cà phê đen vì nó đắng.
This structure is super useful for expressing your taste in any conversation.
Let's review the most important words and phrases from today's lesson. Repeat after me. 1. Uống.
Uống.
The center verb for today's topic. Ví dụ, trời nóng quá, em muốn uống một ly nước chanh.
Trời nóng quá, em muốn uống một ly nước chanh.
2. Nước cam.
Nước cam.
A healthy and refreshing choice. Ví dụ, bữa sáng anh hay uống một ly nước cam.
Bữa sáng anh hay uống một ly nước cam.
3. Trà đá.
Trà đá.
The most common drink you'll find everywhere. Ví dụ, cho chị một ly trà đá không đường.
Cho chị một ly trà đá không đường.
4. Cà phê sữa. Coffee with condensed milk. A true Vietnamese classic. Ví dụ, buổi sáng, người Sài Gòn thường uống cà phê sữa.
Buổi sáng người Sài Gòn thường uống cà phê sữa.
5. Mình thích, mình không thích. The basic structure for expressing preferences. Ví dụ, em thích uống bia, còn anh thì không thích.
Em thích uống bia, còn anh thì không thích.
Now we have the key vocabulary to explore any drink menu in Vietnam. So next time, be adventurous and try something new.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and a subscribe to SVFF.
Cảm ơn. Hẹn
Hẹn
gặp
gặp
lại.
lại.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30 minutes trial here.